Hello everyone, welcome back to the Easy Tech Steps channel. In this video, I'll guide you through all the settings for the taskbar in Windows 11, helping you customize it to make your interface more personal and improve your productivity. Let's get started. To access the taskbar settings, simply right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Here, you can customize the following elements. First, there's the search option, which lets you choose to hide the search bar, show only an icon, or display the full search label. The search bar allows you to quickly find anything, including settings across windows. Next, we have Task View and Widgets. In this section, you can enable or disable these features on the taskbar. If you don't use Task View, a feature that allows you to manage and switch between open windows, you can disable it to make the taskbar cleaner. Task View is also known as multiple desktops, and you can find a detailed guide about it in another video I've linked in the description below. Similarly, if you don't want quick information like weather or news, you can disable the Widgets feature. Moving on to System Tray Icons. Pen Menu. If you use a stylus, you can enable this option to show the pen menu when needed. If not, it's best to leave this option turned off. Touch Keyboard. If you're using a 2-in-1 device or don't have a physical keyboard, you can enable the touch keyboard icon for quick access. You can also select when no keyboard attached, meaning the touch keyboard will only appear when no physical keyboard is connected. Next is Other System Tray Icons. This section allows you to configure which icons will appear on the taskbar without being hidden. For example, if I want the icon for the Bing wallpaper software to always be visible, I can toggle it on, and you'll see the icon appear on the taskbar instead of being hidden. As for the hidden icon menu setting, if you disable it, the arrow icon used to access hidden system tray icons will no longer appear. Lastly, we have Taskbar Behaviors. This section lets you adjust the taskbar's behavior. You can choose to align the taskbar icons to the center or the left. If you prefer the classic Windows 10 style, select left. For a modern look, keep it at center. Automatically hide the taskbar. Enable this option if you want the taskbar to auto-hide when not in use, giving you more screen space. Show badges on taskbar apps. This displays notification badges, such as the number of unread emails in Outlook. Show flashing on taskbar apps. If an app requires your attention, it will flash on the taskbar. You can enable or disable this feature based on your preference. Try customizing it your way and let me know how it works for you in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.